Good morning.
Welcome back to my dark corner of this sick world.
It was regrettable you ever left us.
When alien invaders land on Earth, what's the first thing they do? Blow stuff up? Kidnap women? Or...
We'd like a loan from your bank.
This only happens in British films. Only in England would alien invaders apply for a small business loan to fund their invasion. How much do you want?
£1 million.
This is They Came From Beyond Space, which follows a scientist, apparently played by BBC Breakfast's Bill Turnbull,
I also happen to be in love with you.
who, in between scoring with much younger women,
I might even make you a cup of tea.
tries to solve the mystery of what aliens are doing on a small farm.
Close the gate.
And it really is a mystery.
When the right time comes, you'll understand.
You say that, but for the vast majority of this film, I had no idea what was going on.
I don't know. Can't make it out.
There's alien meteorites possessing humans.
Control of musculature and vocal cords, awkward but adequate.
People contracting moon measles. Frozen bodies. Aliens that can be trapped just by closing the rain hood of your car. And Michael Gough as...
The Master of the Moon.
who raises some important questions.
Conquer and rule Earth. Why should we want to do that?
And each time our hero achieves something, breaking into the farm, rescuing his possessed girlfriend, lucky girl, overcoming every alien he meets with frankly baffling ease, I expect a little more of the plot to be revealed.
I've come to tell you why you're here.
Again,
You've attempted
you say that, but surely the rescued girlfriend will be able to tell us what's going on.
I can't remember a thing.
No such luck.
Just what is happening.
Now, this withholding of information can work in films like The 39 Steps, for example, because it puts us into the same position as the hero, desperate to know what's going on, not knowing what to do.
We've got to keep them from taking off.
Why?
Stay here.
I have all the information you have, and I don't know why that's essential.
I would like to know what's going on down here.
Dr. Curtis keeps telling us he has no idea what's going on, but he acts as if he knows exactly what's going on.
I don't believe any of this.
He figures out the alien tech, builds a helmet to prevent mind control. And at no point does he demonstrate even the slightest surprise that aliens have invaded Cornwall.
That is not the point.
Now, personally, I think that about halfway through, even the most patient viewer is going to decide that life is just too damn short and give up. But if you do hang on to the end, there is a full explanation. The aliens are stranded on the moon,
The ship crashed on this moon of your Earth.
despite being able to pilot meteorites in formation to get to Earth.
Good heavens, looks like shooting stars. Oh, fuck off.
And they need to get into Dr. Curtis's mind to be able to build their rocket home,
There's knowledge there that we need. It's been too long withheld.
even though
What possible satisfaction or glory could we find in ruling a race whose most intelligent life force is little more than primitive savages compared with our vast knowledge?
But those massive plot holes aside, it does all add up, and it turns out it's all just a terrible misunderstanding, and everything is sorted out with a firm handshake. Which is a very British way of ending a film. It's just not a very satisfying way of dealing with the enslavement of humanity.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. If you've got a film you'd like us to review, leave a comment below. Click here to subscribe, here to see more reviews, or if you'd like to take your chance in the Dark Corner's mystery box of death, click down there.
Alan, get out!